Get into the 2019 Audi S4. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Experience the delights of sophisticated luxury and premium performance in the S4. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: front massage seats, pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, premium sound system. Why let someone else have all the fun? Get behind the wheel of the S4 today.